Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove the white background from an image on Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to remove the white background from an image in this document. At first we insert an image in this document. Go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture on our file. Then click insert. Now we can see here we insert a picture in this document. Then we resize the picture some small. Now we can see here we insert picture and background color is white. Now we change the background color, go to the design menu and click page color option. Then choose any color. Now we can see here we remove the white background color from an image very easily. Now we move the picture. At first click the picture and go to the format menu. Then click warp text and choose in front of text. Then we move this picture anywhere, or you resize the picture small and big very easily, and you apply some effects in this picture style. This way is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.